National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from East Cape Sable to Chocoloskee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles until 2:30 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 13 nautical miles southeast of D Tower, moving northeast at 5 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.